Hi guys, welcome back to the TenorShare channel. If you haven't used your iPad for a long time, you may forget the password, and you want to factory reset the iPad to reset the password, but it required the password. You might find yourself stuck in an unsolved situation. No worries. In this video, I will show you how to factory reset your iPad without passcode in 3 ways. Method 1. Wipe iPad without passcode using iCloud. If you have signed in with your Apple ID in your iPad, open Find My in the iPad and have another device with the same Apple ID to do 2-factor authentication. Then you can factory reset it with iCloud. Go to iCloud.com and log into your iCloud, and then you will receive the authentication numbers in the other device. Inside the account, click on Find iPhone, All Devices. Select your device from the list, and then choose Erase iPad from the menu. Click on Erase. It will ask you to do authentication again. Just follow the directions. This procedure will completely wipe out the device, sending it into the factory reset mode. Now you can set up your iPad as a new device. Method 2. Factory reset iPad without password through iTunes. First, connect your iPad to the computer with a cable. After connecting, you need to put your iPad in recovery mode. For iPad with Face ID, press the volume up and press the volume down. Then press and hold the power button. Keep pressing till the recovery mode screen shows up. Then we can go back to iTunes. It will detect the device and ask you to update or restore. Click on Restore and follow the directions. Now just wait patiently. It should be reminded that firmware download on iTunes takes a long time. Somehow error codes may pop up on iTunes. That's why people complain about iTunes a lot, since both of the above methods have some limitations. So I strongly recommend the last method. Factory reset iPad without passcode using 4U key. You can check the download link in the description and download it in both Windows and Mac OS. Once installed, you need to connect your iPad to the PC or Mac with a cable. Open it, tap Start. Tap Next. Switch your device to iPad. You need to make your iPad in recovery mode too. Press the volume up and press the volume down. Then press and hold the power button. Keep pressing till the recovery mode screen shows up. After finish it, tap Next. You will be prompted to download the firmware. Select the download location and then click Download. The download process will not be long, depending on your network condition. Once the firmware is ready, click Start Remove to start factory reset process. Remember, do not disconnect your iPad during the process. Then you can see your iPad is factory reset completed. It's very simple. You can give it a try. That's all. Hope the video can be helpful, and if you like it, give us a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.